How to improve the Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Snapchat camera quality on iPhone looks worse than your normal camera app, it is usually because Snapchat uses its own in-app camera processing rather than Apple's full camera API. So while you can't change every detail, here are some ways to maximize quality. First of all, you need to head over to App Store and search for Snapchat. This way, you will have to update the Snapchat. Likewise, also make sure to update your iOS to the latest version. Once that is done, head over to your Snapchat, tap on the Bitmoji from the top left corner and go to the settings, which is the gear icon. From here, scroll down and find the option for data saver. Make sure it is toggled off. Similarly, if you have the version in which there is video quality available, make sure to set it to high. Make sure to clean the camera lens as well. It could be because of fingerprints, dust or lint that can lower the clarity. So if you use a case, also make sure it is not slightly blocking the camera. Another thing you can keep in mind is to use the rear camera for best quality. The front camera can often look softer because the app downscale video to save the bandwidth. Additionally, make sure to avoid zooming in Snapchat. Next, head over to the device settings and go to cellular option. Once you are on your cellular option, go for the low data mode and turn it off. Do the same for the Wi-Fi and network option as well. Make sure all of the low data mode is turned off for better quality of your Snapchat. Once you do so, restart your Snapchat camera and try to take a video. This should probably improve the quality of your camera. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.